Bright Duty. Every student matters.
So students, let us quickly summarize what we read in this chapter, separation of substances. We read about various methods which are used for separating substances from their mixtures. The methods we read about were handpicking, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Alright. Then we also learned that husk and stones could be separated from grains by handpicking. Husk is separated from heavier seeds of grain by winnowing. Then we also learned a fact that difference in size of particles in a mixture is utilized to separate them by the process of sieving and infiltration. Then we learnt about the process of decantation, that in a mixture of sand and water, the heavier sand particles settle down at the bottom and the water can be separated by decantation. And then filtration, it can be used to separate components of a mixture of an insoluble solid and a liquid. We also learnt about the process of evaporation, that it is the process in which a liquid gets converted into its vapor. Evaporation can be used to separate a solid dissolved in a liquid. Then we also studied that a saturated solution is one in which no more of that substance can be dissolved. More of a substance can be dissolved in a solution by heating it. And water dissolves different amount of soluble substances in it. So I hope all the methods that we have learnt in this chapter are clear to you and you have understood the chapter well. Thank you, kids.